Am I wrong for telling someone that they're too fat for a massage? Okay, yep, you are, because you shouldn't have said it like that. That's way too rude. But that's just my opinion so far. Let's see if the story changes my mind. I, 25 male, work as a masseuse for a somewhat small spa, and I've been doing it for 3 years. This week, I had to do something I've never done before, and that's turn someone away. See, what happened was we had a group booking for 4 people. As per usual, I grabbed the questionnaire and the waiver for the client that I was going to take. When I saw her, I became concerned as she was clearly over 400 pounds. Aside from the weight capacity, I wasn't even sure if she would be able to fit on the table, but I put that concern aside. But for the sake of safety, I decided to weigh her with the result that she was 465 pounds. And the table's capacity was 495 pounds. So I decided not to risk it. In the most polite way I could, I told her that for her safety, I can't service her. As an alternative, I offered her other services where her weight wouldn't be an issue. Unfortunately, she was too upset and embarrassed, and as a result, she and her whole group decided to just cancel their appointments. Because of this, 3 of my colleagues absolutely hate my guts now. They all believe that I should have been much more accommodating to her. So am I wrong here? Okay, so for one, the title isn't accurate because he didn't call her fat. Like, that would have been rude. But honestly, I don't think he really did anything wrong. I know it's kind of crappy, but there was a weight limit, and when you're massaging somebody, you have to put a lot of pressure on them. So yeah, she wasn't over the weight limit, but with that added pressure, that table might not have been able to handle the weight. And I really don't blame him because she could have really gotten hurt and there could have been a big lawsuit on the business if he would have went through with that. So I can't say that he's wrong, and don't hate me because honestly, I do wish that they could have been more accommodating. I wish there was some other way that they could have gave this woman a massage, but since they couldn't, I can't blame them. I just can't. So let me know if you think he's wrong or not in the comments. Also guys, let me know what you think about this Pisces jar. The customer got it for her friend. She knows that her friend likes black. She's not like really into like pinky and purple kind of things like I usually make. So we went with the orange, green, and yellow butterfly, and I found some glitter that matched the butterfly, and I just really like how this one came out. It is so sparkly. So let me know in the comments what you guys would rate this from 1 to 10, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.